welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. In this channel, we are all about learning every time. So you might have seen other videos on how it's complicated for you to change add optical snoots to your pictures rather, sorry. This is a different class, so let's dive right into it. So we'll be going to how will you get your optical snoots. You don't need to like pay anybody to get optical snoot or anything, unless maybe you want to make it easy or just create it as a brush. But the simple way for you have your internet, search. So what we're doing, we are going to browser, go to Pinterest, and search for an optical snoot that will go well for this picture. So we'll dive right into it. Get to our browser, we are at Pinterest. So what we're looking for is an optical snoot that we can use for that picture. So we'll be looking for something very nice. So make sure what you are selecting is white, like the optical snoot is white, it shouldn't be black. So you'll just look for something. I guess it was okay. This goes for it. So we'll just click on download, then we download. So allow. The next thing we are doing, we are going to our Photoshop. We'll try to create. So I already edited this picture. So we'll just do is that we are going to separate the subject from the background. You can select to, first of all, we'll create stamp visible layer, because this is obviously coming out as I've cleaned the background and everything. So you take your select to, click on select subject, and you just wait for it to do its thing. You can decide to use any of the select tool that works for you. So what we're going to do next is we're going to invert the selection, Control-Shift on the keyboard. Then you duplicate this selection, Control-J. We are going to create another stamp visible layer, Control-Shift or Command-Shift-E for a stamp visible layer. Then now we hold on Control Command on your keyboard, click on the canvas of the background layer, which is this one I'm highlighting now. Then you put your layer mask like this, invert your layer mask. So we'll go back to our download to go get the snoot effect. We're going to right click, open with Photoshop. So now that we have the snoot effect on Photoshop, what we'll be doing next is we're selecting this part. You might see other ones, but like this is very simple and easy for me. So you see this, your Control J to duplicate one of the background layer, put your move tool, you drag over to the other image. So this is quite very simple. Drag below your subject, you expand your snoot effect. So just expand your snoot effect to fit in the way you like it. So just like that. We're going to take down a bit. So click enter on the keyboard, come to your blending mode, change from normal to overlay. So what we are doing next is the edges of this is too sharp. So what we are doing next is we are kindly trying to make it blow out. So what we are doing next is we'll go to filter, press enter on the keyboard, go to filter, come to blur. I'm going to use Gaussian blur. So I'm going to move around so we see the edges are being blown out to suit or fit in the background. Yes, around 10 is perfect for this. Then you just come over to the opacity to reduce your opacity. Boom, here you have your Snoot effect. So even if you don't have the entire workspace and everything to actually use this Snoot effect, this is a perfect option for you. So subscribe to this channel so whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. Peace out, guys.